did that, okay? Okay, look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm on my way to the nail salon to get my nails done. I'm kind of running late. I've been running late to everything pretty much lately, so I can't. Okay, I'm making sure I got my directions right. So right now
1.3 miles.
She tripping.
The destination is
so right now
nails and spa.
Okay, bro, I can't win for losing with Siri. Now right now I'm on my way to the nail salon. I'm gonna get my nails done. I had my nails previously done in red nails. Right now they're just bare. Getting my nails done is like a treat to me. It's like the one thing I do. I don't really spend or overindulge in too much of anything other than food, so I want to cut back on my food spending and spend on my nails and like making sure I look put together and I look the part, because I've been looking really ate up, really trash lately, just because I've been going through some personal things. And what you don't want to do, you never want to look like what you're going through. So this weekend, I said shut up, okay? So this weekend I went ahead and took the initiative to go ahead and do my makeup, because when you look good you feel good, and plus I'm not trying to cry in no makeup. I don't have a picture on me to show them, so I need to go through my phone while I'm there. And let me see, I'm gonna get there a little early, 2 minutes early. Really it's not, but yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the nail salon.
Can you hear me? Can't leave it till I'm satisfied. No, I won't apologize. I'ma keep complaining till we make it. So come inside. Tell you why. I'm what I want you, baby. Touch me, try to get me acting right. When we fight, it's only right. Baby, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Come for me, babe. Want you to feel me. Come closer, babe. But don't tease me. I want you now. Can you hear me? Can't leave it till I'm satisfied. No, I won't apologize. I'ma keep complaining till we make it. So come inside. Tell you why. I'm what I want you, baby. Touch me, try to get me acting right. When we fight, it's only right.
Okay, hold on. Let me get back to my car. Nails is cute. I can't even tell because it's like blurry right now. Hold on. I am so freaking hungry right now, so I'm about to put some of this lotion on. This lotion is from it's like, it has shea in it, and it's from, where's this from? This is just some Bath and Body's lotion I'm about to put on my nails. So I'm about to put this Bath and Body's lotion on my nails, on my hands, so I can get into these nail pics. You know, I don't know, people gonna probably have to start paying me for a nail pic. Look at the nails, look at those. Yes, yes. Did that. Okay, look at that. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, actually, will I be back? I don't think I'm gonna be back. I think I'm about to go get some food.